Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you some mind-blowing HTML and CSS tricks that can completely transform the look of your websites. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be itching to revamp your own sites with these cool techniques. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about CSS Grid. It's a powerful layout system that gives you control over both columns and rows, making it a breeze to design complex layouts. Imagine being able to place any element exactly where you want it without the messy code. Sounds awesome, right? Here's a quick tip. Use the Grid Template Areas property to visually map out your layout in your CSS. It's like playing Tetris with your website elements. Next, have you ever wanted to create those smooth, sleek transitions on your website that just make everything feel dynamic? CSS transitions are your best friend here. By simply adding a transition property to your CSS, you can animate changes in properties like color, size, and even position. This means that with just a few lines of code, your website can smoothly react to user interactions. Imagine hovering over a button and watching it elegantly change color. Now let's add a bit of magic with CSS animations. Unlike transitions, animations don't rely on user interactions. They bring your website to life automatically. With at keyframes, you can define the animation sequence, controlling every step of the animation process. Think of it as directing a movie where each frame is meticulously planned. You could have elements sliding in from the side, spinning, or even bouncing around. The possibilities are truly endless. Moving on to HTML, did you know you can create an entire drawing just using the element? Yep, you heard right. The tag in HTML5 opens up a whole new world of graphic possibilities on the web. You can draw, render graphics, and even build games directly in your browser. How cool is that? Just a few lines of JavaScript and you can add stunning visuals that make your site stand out from the crowd. And finally, let's not forget about the power of CSS variables. If you find yourself constantly changing the same color or spacing throughout your style sheet, CSS variables allow you to store this information in one place and reuse it throughout your document. This not only saves time, but also keeps your style sheets clean and easy to manage. Imagine being able to tweak your site's color scheme in just one line of code. Alright, that's a wrap for today's tips. I hope these HTML and CSS tricks inspire you to experiment and create something unique and exciting. Remember, the web is your canvas, so don't be afraid to paint it with your creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.